In the mixing area, batter is prepared. Cakes travel through the tunnel oven for baking. Next, the cream filling is added, a glossy chocolate glaze is applied. Finally, the cakes are packaged.
This is how millions of chocolate cakes are made in a modern factory.
From raw ingredients to perfectly finished cakes, every step is carefully controlled.
The process begins with flour, the foundation of every chocolate cake. The flour is transferred into the production system for smooth and consistent batter. This controlled handling keeps the flour clean before mixing. Fresh eggs are delivered in bulk to give the cakes structure and softness. The eggs are prepared for automatic cracking to maintain speed and hygiene. The machine cracks thousands of eggs quickly while keeping the process sanitary. The sugar is measured precisely, so every batch tastes the same. Automated transfer systems move the sugar safely into production. Cocoa powder gives chocolate cake its deep color and rich flavor. This cocoa powder will become the signature chocolate flavor of the cake. Milk and butter add moisture, richness, and softness to the cake batter. The butter is softened so it can blend evenly with the other ingredients. Once received, all ingredients move toward the automated production line. Every ingredient is tracked before it enters the chocolate cake process. Quality inspection helps maintain safety, flavor, and consistency. The eggs are tested before they are approved for the chocolate cake batter. After inspection, the approved ingredients are ready for mixing. The flour is sifted to remove lumps and create a lighter batter. This fine texture helps the chocolate cake become soft and fluffy. Cocoa powder is blended with the dry ingredients to build the chocolate base. Now the ingredients are ready to become smooth chocolate cake batter. The dry ingredients are combined inside industrial mixers. Liquid eggs are added to bind the chocolate cake batter together. Milk is added to give the chocolate cake a soft and moist texture. Sugar balances the chocolate flavor and adds sweetness. Powerful mixers blend everything into a smooth chocolate cake batter. The batter becomes smooth and evenly mixed for perfect baking. Continuous mixing ensures a consistent chocolate cake texture. Once mixed, the batter moves to quality inspection. Samples are taken to test thickness and quality. Digital systems ensure accuracy in every batch. Once approved, the batter continues toward the next stage. The batter is poured with perfect precision into each mold. Thousands of chocolate cakes move through the line every hour. This smooth batter will create a soft cake texture. The filled molds are now ready to enter the baking stage. Next, the chocolate cake batter enters high-temperature ovens. This is where the transformation from batter to cake begins. Inside the oven, the chocolate cake batter begins to transform. Heat causes the batter to expand and rise into soft cakes. Controlled temperature ensures even baking for every chocolate cake. The baked cakes now move to the cooling section. The cakes are now fully baked with a soft texture. Cooling stabilizes the structure of each chocolate cake. Excess heat is released during cooling. Once cooled, the cakes are removed from molds. Automated systems remove the cakes without damage. The cakes reveal a soft and fluffy interior. The cakes now move to cutting for shaping and layering. Precision blades cut the cakes into even layers. Each layer is perfectly aligned for filling. The cakes are now ready for cream filling. The filling is evenly distributed for consistency. Filled cakes move to the decoration stage. Chocolate filling adds richness to every cake.
Each layer is carefully balanced.
The cakes now enter the decoration process. The next step is chocolate coating.
The surface is prepared for smooth coating.
This is where the final transformation begins. Rich chocolate glaze covers each cake evenly. The glaze creates a glossy finish. The chocolate adds visual appeal and flavor. Every cake is coated consistently. Decorative cream enhances the presentation. Precision ensures identical decoration. Final toppings complete the look. The cakes are now fully decorated. Quality control ensures every cake meets standards. Only the best cakes continue to packaging.
Each cake is placed into a protective tray.
Packaging preserves freshness. High-speed machines pack cakes efficiently. Labels provide essential product information. Boxes are sealed for transport. The cakes move towards shipment preparation. Pallets are secured for safe transport. Pallets are moved to loading area. The cakes are ready to leave the factory. Cakes are loaded onto trucks for delivery. The final stage is distribution. Cakes arrive at distribution centers.
The cakes are now ready to be enjoyed.
The journey ends at your table.
The texture is soft and fluffy.
Each layer is rich and smooth.
The chocolate adds a delicious finish.
Every bite is carefully crafted. The final product is both beautiful and delicious. From factory to your table.
Every step ensures quality and taste. Millions of cakes are made every day.
This is how modern factories work.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.